How uncertain is the future of food production in the country right now, Tatiana?
Well, Krishni, that's exactly what we sought to try and understand with these scenarios. Right now, South Africa produces enough food. Last year, we were, for the first time, a net importer of food. But for the most part, we actually have a agricultural production level that is very good. Yet, there are clear indications that this is a system that is heading towards crisis and could fairly dramatically be tipped into crisis that would change our food security from an already tenuous state to something quite dire.
How I'm positioning myself in the future economy. The future belongs to those who produce food, not just consume it. And right now, I'm positioning myself early. Welcome to Inkarhi It's Time. This channel is different. Here, we don't just watch motivational videos and move on. We take real action. We build real systems together. From backyard farming to skills, to entrepreneurship, to self-reliance. If you are tired of only talking and ready to start building, then you are in the right place. Why I started? I realized something important. Food prices keep increasing. Unemployment is high. People depend too much on supermarkets and external systems. But one thing will always be needed: food. So instead of only consuming, I decided to start producing. Not on a massive farm, but right here at home, building the system. What I'm building is not just a garden, it's a system. I started by building raised beds, creating organic compost, using mulch to retain moisture, organizing crops into zones, applying companion planting naturally. Everything has structure and purpose because systems create consistency. Thinking beyond food. This is bigger than vegetables. This connects directly to the Inkarhi Model of Self-Reliance with the following pillars. 1. Food production. 2. Local economy. 3. Skills and education. 4. Entrepreneurship. The goal is not just to grow food. The goal is to build income, develop practical skills, create opportunities locally, reduce dependence. How this becomes business? As the system grows, the opportunities grow too. For example, selling fresh produce, selling seedlings, teaching others, and creating local supply systems. That's how you move from backyard farming to agribusiness thinking. The real mindset shift. Most people wait until opportunities are obvious, but positioning means preparing before everyone else arrives. By the time people realize food production is critical, you should already have experience, systems, customers, and skills. My message to you: you don't need hectares of land to start. You don't need millions. You need a small space, consistency, a long-term mindset. Start where you are, because small actions repeated consistently build powerful systems over time. In this channel, we don't just watch videos and end there. We take action. So, comment below. I'm positioning myself, and tell me, what are you growing or planning to grow? If you believe in building real systems for food, income, and self-reliance, like this video, comment, share it with someone who needs to see this, subscribe to Inkarhi It's Time, and watch the next video where I'll show you how I plan to turn this backyard system into income, from dependence to self-reliance. Follow the journey. Inkarhi It's Time, and I'm Kundus signing off. Thank you for watching and take care.